guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simranjeet Kaur. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. If you have, thank you so much. So in today's video I have created this look. मैं किसी के फंक्शन पे जा रही थी तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक वीडियो बना ली जाए साथ ही साथ. जो मेकअप मैंने मतलब ये मेकअप किसी के फंक्शन पे जा रही हूँ मैंने उस हिसाब से किया है ये. तो यू कैन सी कितना स्टनिंग सा, कितना अच्छा सा ये मेकअप हुआ है. मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतना अच्छा ये हो जाएगा बट हो गया. So if you want to know how I've created this look, so please keep watching it. So hi guys, let's start the makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna use this my favorite moisturizer, the Super Light Gel. I've used a lot of moisturizer here because I don't want that my makeup should look dry or cakey or anything like that. I want a flawless base, so that's why I'm using this moisturizer in more quantity. So now for my eyebrows, I've taken this Revolution palette and I'm taking this black and brown color. Nowadays I really like to use mixing of brown and black color. I really like to use eyeshadow palette to fill in my eyebrows. You can see how easily I've created my eyebrows. So after that I have taken this Swiss Beauty concealer as my eye base, and while applying concealer on my eyes I will knead my eyebrows too. To enhance your eyeshadow, you really need an eye base. So any concealer which is lighter than your shade, you can use it as your eye base. Now for blending, I'm using a Damp Beauty blender, and you have to blend it till the harsh lines are not visible on your eyes. After blending of the base, immediately set it with any loose powder, or you can take any light shade eyeshadow. Like here I've taken this cream color. Now I'm taking this light brown color for my crease and I'm blending this brown color in circular motion. Then I've taken this darker shade of brown and applying near my crease or little down from my crease. Now I'm taking this Blue Heaven kajal. I know it is looking like a lipstick, but yeah, it's a kajal. It's a very good kajal for smudging, like I'm doing a smoky eye, so it is really good. So as you can see, I'm applying kajal on my lid. You don't need to apply neatly. You can apply it messy way, but yeah, you need to take care. You should not apply above from your lid. I mean आपको अपनी lid तक रखना है, उसके ऊपर लेकर मत जाना, नहीं तो थोड़ा ख़राब सा हो जाएगा, थोड़ा messy सा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा वो. And you have to apply the same way I'm applying. Now I've taken this eyeshadow brush and I'm just moving the color, not blending, moving. And this step really take a lot of time, so you need to be patient. Now I'm taking this black color and I'm just applying it on the area where I have applied kajal. Now I have started blending with the same brush which I have used for my crease, and I have taken a little bit of brown color to blend and give a fusion of black and brown color. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows. Firstly, I've taken the shade name 06 Molten Midnight and I'm applying with the help of my finger, and seriously these liquid eyeshadows are just wow. Just wow. And then I've taken this 02 Diamond Dust. You can see how stunning my eyes are looking. Like these eyeshadows are really affordable and of amazing quality. You can see how stunning eyes are looking. They're just wow. I don't have words to explain, but yeah, just wow. Now I'm using one of my favorite primer, which is Sugar's Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer. This product is really amazing. I'm obsessed with this primer. I'm going to repurchase it after this one. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer to give a natural glow to my base. Oh my god, just look at the glow. You can see this glow. I just love it, seriously loved it. Now I've taken this Inside Color Correcting palette. I've purchased it recently. I've taken just a yellow color corrector to correct my whole face, and you can see how perfectly it corrected my whole face. I've just taken yellow, and I'm really in love with this palette. It is so affordable and its quality is just amazing, and it is just for 190 rupees. Now here I've taken this K Beauty foundation shade 1255 medium and Fit Me Ivory shade, and I'm just mixing them both to have exact shade of mine, and I'm applying it in dotted pattern and blending it with a damp beauty blender. You should take time to blend your base so that no one should know that you have applied a lot of foundation on your face. Then I have used the Swiss Beauty concealer to brighten up my high points. Then packing the concealer with the Revlon Moisturizing Compact. Then I have applied the brown color on my lower lash line. Then applying kajal on my waterline. And then I'm just smudging it out little bit. Then I have taken again that silver liquid eyeshadow, which is 02 Diamond Dust, to apply on my inner corners. Then I have used this Maybelline mascara. And today I'm using Swiss Beauty bronzer and blush palette. For bronzer, first time I've used this Swiss Beauty bronzer, and seriously I loved it. You can see how amazing these Swiss Beauty products are. I am really obsessed with Swiss Beauty products. I really love this bronzer. And then I've taken compact to applying this way to give a sharp look. Then I'm applying blush. Here I've used K Beauty blush, and this blush is just awesome. I have no words to explain how amazing it is. Then for highlighter, I've used this Sugar Jelly highlighter 01 Cold Coal. Then for lips, I've used a lot of lipsticks here. If there is any function, how can you just stick on one lipstick? So I've used a lot of lipsticks here. I've used that exposed Venna lipstick, exposed Spain lipstick, and two of Delancey lipsticks. I don't remember the shade name, but yeah, I've used Delancey lipsticks too. So now my look is complete. Just a second. So that is it guys, this is the video. आपने देखा कि मैंने कितनी इजी तरीके से इस स्टनिंग सी लुक को कंप्लीट कर दिया है. सो आई होप कि आप लोगों को वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी होगी. मैंने काफ़ी जल्दी वाली वीडियो बनाई थी. सो आई होप कि आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी हो. और इफ़ यू लाइक इट, प्लीज़ गिव बिग थम्स अप एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड आई विल मीट यू सुपर सून इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.